What's up, guys? This is today I have hiccups. Okay. First of all, when I went to see the video, I started having hiccups. So I hate it. So first, when I started the video, I had to keep hiccups, and the only cure to do that is water. So can I get water? So I'm gonna start doing this. Yeah. Time to drink water. Okay, getting better. On my schedule, as you can see there, my schedule. This is my vlogging video, so 10 a.m. And so this is also an ordinary vlogging video. So okay, finally it's done. So here, my grandpa gave me this school. I think it's for old times, right? It's a globe. I really wanted a globe. House big or small, I wanted a globe. But it's the ordinary globe. He also gave me index cards. It's so good. Oh, wow, just use it for a house. Okay, it can fit. I can study with it. And also, you can put a ball pen right here. This is so cool. I'm gonna get one now. It's a mess. Let's get my pink ball pen. I think this is cool. Very cool. So let's put it in. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Maybe it's for a feather. Maybe feathers, 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 feathers. I think I need to get feathers in my neighbor's house. I think I have a feather here. Feather. I don't. Oh my, feather here. Oh my, it's an Indian costume. It's so again, and it's so precious. So that's all for my drawing video. So next will be a what? How much I'm counting, but I'll not do that video. But in case I have 400 of this money Mia. Look at this. I save it for my mother's birthday. Will be on July 20. So better check it out. So stay active for the next video and 5 o'clock. I guess I don't mind the time. So thanks guys for watching. If you really enjoy it, please do the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Peace. Bye guys.